Ain't no need to check the score, bitch, I'ma keep scoring. I get money and go home, bitch, my life boring. Mama want me to quit the lean, but I'ma keep pouring. Got an automatic tour, gas look like a leaf blower. Out of town with my bus on, bitch, I from Detroit. I got some white boys that really bout it, then.
What is up, DEEZY Nation? It's your girl DEEZY, and I'm back with another mother-loving video. Oh, it's currently snowing outside. Like, it's snowing. Like, let me show you. Let's open this. Ugh. I don't know if y'all can really see it for real. Y'all can see that. It's snowing, y'all. So, I don't really have nothing to do. And so I don't spend any money. I'm going to record a Get Ready With Me. Okay, skin, come through. My skin was messed up. Like, I got a black mark there. Couple black marks up there. But do a Get Ready With Me. Yeah, do a Get Ready With Me or spend my off day with me. Something. Anyway, I'm recording a video and I'm about to get ready. I already did my eyebrows. I didn't conceal them. They're so thick right now because they're growing out. And literally, like, my eyebrows usually come down here. I'm not even kidding. Like, I be having, like, moods where I'll tweeze my eyebrows so freaking skinny. Like, so thin. I say skinny, thin. And then once they start growing out, it looks like what happened. And so now I'm just growing them out because why not? But I guess I'm going to put on some makeup just for the sake of this video. I mean, I've been giving lashes, makeup a break on my face. For real. So, yeah. I'm just about to do my makeup and then we'll see where else this video leads to. Because I really don't know. I've been on a budget. I've been trying to save. Because I found myself spending, like, unnecessary money a lot. So that's why I really just been in the house. But I guess I'll title this video, Spend My Off Day With Me. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup. Look at my hair. Slick to the guys. I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup and stuff. So, yeah. Okay, DZ Nation, I am done. Oh my gosh, let me mute my TV. All right, DZ Nation, I am done with my makeup. This is just an everyday makeup, I guess you could say. Period. My makeup don't look too yellow or anything. But it is still freaking snowing outside. Like, it's not even funny. Like, it's probably about 4 inches on the ground. Like, for real. Let me show y'all. I could have sworn it was a screen on this side. I'm over here trying to show y'all through this. Wow. I'm ready for it. Period. Poo. I've been working on my chest. I've been breaking out really bad. I'm just trying to clear up. Just trying to. Glow. Okay, so like for real, now that I see that it's still snowing outside, I might not do anything. I don't know. I want to get my nails done, but I don't want to spend any money. This is why I need a nigga. I want to go look at snow blowers for my dad. Yeah, if I leave the house, I'm going to record it. If I don't, this will just be a get ready with me to stay in the house. So yeah, we shall see. All right, so DZ Nation, I'm still in the house, but I actually put on some clothes now. It's still snowing. I don't know. I want to get my nails done, like for real, but I don't want to spend any money, and it's freaking snowing. So yeah, you'll know if I'm in the car. All right, DZ Nation, I am on the freaking prowl. Oh, hell no. Bro. All right, I guess now we're ready. I can't believe it's snowing like this, though. I can't believe. Okay, first of all, I can't even see. Okay. They need to come out here and shovel the sidewalks for one. So anyway, I'm about to go get my nails done. Look at that. It's snowing. It's snow. Oh, hell no. Oh my gosh. Hell no. I gotta go buy me some gloves, bro. I'm not ready. All right. I ain't ready. I thought I was ready, but I ain't ready. Hell no, I ain't ready. Let's hope my lashes don't come off. Let's hope that. Jesus. All right, y'all. On my way to the nail shop.